Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are in Burke, Virginia. We're looking at a driveway replacement. Now this was a remove and replace of an existing driveway with just a small little bump out there next to the apron to prevent driving over the grass. So this project was just finished up, the crew just drove away, and as you see there's very minimal yard damage. Everything looks nice and clean, no dirt, nothing present. Let's take a closer look at the work. Alright, looking down the driveway from the top, you can see that all the control joints were put in symmetrically, cut deep like they should be, and that should prevent any cracking that goes across the slab. That is the purpose of those joints. And as you see, it just looks aesthetically pleasing. My guys do great work. Here's a shot from the other side. Try to get a little bit of a close-up to show you that fine broom finish and how well it looks. And here's one final parting shot. So again, as always, thanks for watching, and give us a call for any of your concrete needs. Have a good day.